Hey, good evening, everybody. Good evening, good evening, good evening. This is Booker Williams coming to you live with another video. In today's video, I want to respond back to the people that like the commercial that they saw. Well, what I can do if you're a small business owner or you're a person that's got a side hustle, I can have your commercial made for $100 until the first of the month. And after that, it will be higher than $100. So all you have to do is send me the information you want on the commercial, or you can drop it in this link. I just need your company name, your logo, and your slogan and the services that you offer, and I have it made, and it will be great quality. So y'all take advantage of this before the first, because if not, the price is going to go up. This is for the people that take actions and want to make it happen. So if y'all want the commercial, y'all let me know, and y'all can either text me 682-202-0958 or shoot me an email at booker.william@gmail.com, and I'll make it happen. Y'all be great.